What do you think of Frigidaire versus Danby Dehumidifiers?
Frigidaire refrigerators act as dehumidifiers in a way, since they generate so much water, also known as condensation.
I meant the official dehumidifiers. I know their refrigerators regularly leak or overflow.
Frigidaire's dehumidifiers are among the best sellers in that product line.
What do you think of Danby Dehumidifiers?
Consumer Reports gives Danby a good rating.
Yet that is despite reports Danby Dehumidifiers are noisy.
That's on top of their mechanical problems.
Such as?
Danby dehumidifiers regularly last just a year. Danby dehumidifiers tend to leak refrigerant.
That's annoying whether it happens with an $800 fridge or $200 dehumidifier.
If the Danby dehumidifier has problems, it takes weeks to get parts and days to find an authorized repair shop.
Give me specifics.
For example, if the control panel fails, it may take 4 months to get a new one. Power surges tend to short them out, such as during a lightning storm, but Danby says they don't usually go out, so it takes months to get a replacement.
Yet Danby is supposedly more energy efficient than its competition.
Danby dehumidifiers sometimes fail to shut off once the set point has been reached.
Never shutting off isn't energy efficient. How does Frigidaire run?
They generally run pretty well.
So I don't have to worry about customer support.
And Frigidaire customer support is much better than Danby's. They buy defective units back instead of sending you on a goose chase to find a repair shop, which is much simpler.
I've heard they're loud.
Anything with a fan and condenser will make noise. At least you won't face high repair bills or have to lug a 50-pound dehumidifier 50 miles to get it fixed.
Yeah, less profanity over the long haul.